Have you worked so much for so long that you feel super exhausted? This exhaustion is no normal stress. It is a prolonged bodily ordeal which does that. Due to constant physical or mental work, the exhaustion develops multifold. You feel like you're going to fall off. You feel the constant need to rest mentally and physically. Often we wonder how mental exhaustion leads to the whole body being one. The answer is simple. This is because the brain is a vital organ and performs bodily functions too. You feel the need for instant mental and muscle relaxation. This is the time you feel like going to a spa. Most of you know that a spa is a place where mineral-rich spring water is used to give medicinal baths. Spa centers or resorts offer various health treatments too. However, visiting these centers itself becomes tiresome sometimes. Hence, we wonder if only we could spa at our own home. With changing times, the idea of home spa is gaining quite a lot of popularity. Particularly post-lockdown, this zeal for home spa has increased a lot. This home spa is boosted more due to the fact that homes have become smart homes. Smart technology has helped create an exquisite spa experience at home. Home spa with smart technology. Let's see how smart technology has helped bring spa experience at home with the help of these devices. Digital taps and voice command speakers. Digital taps essentially have a LCD touch-sensitive screen attached to them. It sets the water flow to automatically turn off after a specific time. It also accurately controls the water temperature. The sleek design of intelligent faucets adds to the bathroom's elegant appearance as well. Another amazing feature of smart homes is that the bathrooms can be connected to a Google Assistant or Alexa. They in turn play soothing music for you, which can help you relax as well. You can change the volume, change songs, or rewind a podcast through your voice command. These features help in creating a relaxed atmosphere for users. Essential oil diffusers and underfloor heating. One of the most important factors in creating a relaxing atmosphere is through the fragrance. There are many essential oil diffusers built in that are meant for the same. These diffusers spray these oils from time to time. They are either controlled through voice command or an app. These aromatherapy diffusers adjust mist, time, schedules, etc. on command. The oils are in the scents of lavender, jasmine, rose, etc. A major advantage of underwater heating is that it spreads the heat evenly in a room. Ambient lighting and shower cabins. The most basic yet most important part of creating an atmosphere is lighting. Proper lighting gives a soothing feeling in a room. Due to this, selection of lighting becomes very important. Usually, warm light is used to provide a pampering vibe. White light is quite harsh and is preferred only while cleaning. With smart lighting, you can adjust the brightness from your phone, so you don't have to move from your bath. The settings make it easier to adjust the lighting for calming ambiences. Similarly, shower cabins include whirlpool jets and hydro massage jets to replicate a jacuzzi. Alternatively, bathe using the overhead monsoon rain shower. Smart technology has indeed strived in making the lives of people better. With these smart choices, you can make your bathroom the best place in the entire house.